Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add reviews on Shopify like this one. So how are you going to add this to your Shopify? So basically what you're going to do here is you just have to simply install an application inside your Shopify account. And to do that, I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure. So first things first, you need to log in to your Shopify account. And then here, if you can see, you must have your online store first. And if you want to create your own theme or if you want to apply from any of the themes for free here, in Shopify, you just have to select that theme that you want to use for your online store. Basically, you will have your theme, like an ordinary one, but if you want to upgrade that, you can select from any of their theme here, or you can upgrade your Shopify plan in order for you to unlock more themes that you can use. So let's just say you have your Shopify store already, like this one. You can edit this, you can add design, but that is not really our focus for today. So let's just say this is your Shopify store. Now, in your Shopify, you will see this ad right here, or Shopify App Store. When you tap this one, you have to scroll down and tap on Shopify App Store. It will take you directly to another page, and then here you have to look for reviews or add reviews. Now, let's just say we will focus on AliExpress or Ali reviews. Let's just say you will be importing some products from Ali store or AliExpress store to your Shopify store, or let's just say your Shopify is connected to AliExpress. So basically, you need to look for application for AliExpress or Ali reviews. So before that, you need to look for that specific or you need to add that product first to your Shopify. So I'm going to search for Ali import or Ali review, something like that. You will see different applications right here. You can try it one by one. For this one, I have tried this, but I think this one is not for free. So I'm going to show you just how to install the application first in case that you like this. So all you have to do is install and then tap on install again and wait for a couple of seconds, and you will see that on your Shopify on the left side. However, like what I mentioned earlier, it's not for free. So I have to install another one again. Ali reviews, this one. You can read the information or instruction here, and you have to look for the free version. And if you want to upgrade that, you can upgrade at any time. So you need to set up everything here. You can import the reviews. So what you're going to do in order for you to import reviews from AliExpress store, you have to add that product from their store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to visit AliExpress and I'm going to save the photos or images of that specific product so that I can import the reviews from AliExpress to my Shopify. So to do that, you have to simply go to products, add product. Let's just say I want to import reviews from a specific product from AliExpress, which is this one right here. So I'm going to save these photos. If you can't save, then you can just basically print screen or screenshot and then save it one by one. So once you have saved this images, make sure it's PNG. You need to go back to Shopify, tap on Add Products, add the title, add description, and then after that, tap on Save. So basically, once you have added information here, tap on Save, go back to your products, and you should see these products from AliExpress. Now, the next thing to do here is go back to Ali Reviews. And then here you have to simply set up. If you want to show reviews, you can set this one up. If you want to import reviews, you can tap on import and then select the product. Basically, tap on next. And then this will show you. So import reviews from AliExpress, all you have to do is just follow the instruction. So you will see there how many reviews you can import from AliExpress. You just have to simply follow the instruction and wait for a couple of seconds like this till it reaches 100%, and you will see the reviews from AliExpress. You can see here there are 1,000 reviews from that product from AliExpress. And all you have to do is to post that or publish that. Once you have published everything here, you can go to your online store, and clients and customers can see that on your Shopify store once you have post or publish these reviews from AliExpress. So no need to do it one by one. All you have to do is to add the product or paste the link from AliExpress. Then this Ali reviews will import these reviews from AliExpress. Now, basically, that's how easy it is. If this alley reviews didn't work, then you can go back to Shopify store and look for other application. Maybe there are applications that are not available in your country, so you have to look for application that is available to your country. So as you can see, I'm going to add the link, and then it's the same thing. You can add a picture, add the link from AliExpress, and then import reviews. And basically, this is what it looks like if you have added the reviews from AliExpress. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.